Hey, here's a simple way of opening the programs on your taskbar without having to click on each and every one of them. So you just go to your keyboard and press Windows 1. Now what this will do, it will open the first program on your taskbar. This is how they're arranged. This is program number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So if I press Windows 4, it will open the fourth program in my taskbar. You can still go and rearrange them. So let's say Word will be my first program on the taskbar and Files Explorer the second one. If I press Windows 1, Word will register as the first program in my taskbar and it will open. If I press Windows 2, Files will be the second program in my taskbar and it will open. Here's a quick easy hack on how to copy and paste like a pro. So go to your search bar, then type Clipboard. Then click on Clipboard settings, open. Now if your clipboard history settings are off, just turn it on like mine is. Then this is very helpful, like maybe you're searching for something and you want to get some information from your browser or from one file to another. Rather than having to copy and paste one at a time, you can actually copy multiple things and then register in the clipboard. Then you can come and paste them later on wherever you want. So for example, let me open Notepad. If you want to paste whatever you copied earlier on, just press Windows V. Now it will open up the clipboard for you. Now for me, I had copied some things earlier when I was doing my research, and if you click on them, then it registers, it pastes itself on my Notepad. Just Windows V, you've got your Notepad, your clipboard. Now you can choose whatever you want to paste first, then click on it and it will paste automatically. And you see, I don't only have one thing, but I have 3 things that I had copied and I still retain them. It makes work easier. So here's another thing that is on your PC, but you probably didn't know that it existed. You can actually record your screen for maybe at least 30 seconds. And this is by clicking on Windows plus Alt plus R. And then this will pop up, and here you can take a screenshot of your screen by pressing Windows Alt plus Split Screen. You can take a recording, you can make a recording that lasts for 30 seconds. You can stop the recording and you can turn on the mic while recording. Here's another tip on using Word. Now, if you want to insert a serial number in front of this table, you have a table and you want to insert serial numbers to this table, what you do is you click anywhere inside this table in a cell, then right click, then insert, go to insert columns to the left, and you'll have inserted a column to the left of the table. Then highlight the table, then under Home tab, go to these numbers, then choose 1, 2, 3, and you'll have added numbers to the left side of your table. Now these numbers are automated, so that means if I delete some cells like these 2 rows, if I delete those 2, delete entire row, they'll update it themselves. The numbers, they'll update themselves, so it will remain the same. There will be no changes. Another tip, if you want to change the letter case in words in your paragraph or your document, you can simply do this. Highlight the sentences or the paragraph you want to change the letter case, then click Shift F3, and by doing so, you see I've capitalized all the letters in that paragraph. If you click Shift F3 again, I've turned them all into small letters. And if you click Shift F3 again, only the letters at the beginning of the sentence are capital letters.